from Assam, where Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has reacted on the Assam Assembly amending rules on the Friday namaz. He has stated that this practice was started in 1937. It has been suspended since yesterday. He has also stated that this decision has been taken by all the MLAs. The Assam government has scrapped the 2-hour Friday namaz breaks from the Assembly. Let's in fact listen into a statement.
हमारे विधानसभा का हिंदू मुसलमान सारे एमएलएज ने रूल कमेटी में बैठा और ये अनएनिमियसली रिजॉल्व किया कि हम लोगों का जो 2 घंटा का छुट्टी है वो हमें नहीं चाहिए, हम ये 2 घंटा भी काम करूंगा। ये जो प्रैक्टिस थे ये 1937 में शुरू हुए थे, कल से ये प्रैक्टिस को बंद कर दिया गया है। देखिए, ये तो जो डिसीजन हुआ उस डिसीजन में वो खास वर्ग का विधायक लोग भी थे। ये तो एक सर्वसम्मत सिद्धांत है, ये मैं लिया ऐसा नहीं है।
All right, my colleague Nibir Deka joins us live to share more details. Nibir, a decision was taken by the Assam Assembly yesterday to amend the rules regarding the Friday namaz in the Assembly. Now, Himanta Biswa Sarma has come out and commented as well. What's going on in the political circles in Assam?
Well, yesterday the House Rules Committee had came up unanimously with this decision of ending the 2-hour break given on Fridays for the Jummah Namaz for the Muslim MLAs. And as per the Speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly, Biswajit Doimari, has stated that this was done to increase the productivity of the House. Important bills are passed on Fridays, and as such, a lot of the MLAs who come from the Muslim community are not able to participate. And the Speaker has stated that productivity was a big issue and as such, this rule was scrapped. Further, the Assam Chief Minister has also stated that this particular rule came into existence since 1937 when a Muslim League backed Sir Sadullah was then the Chief Minister of British India in Assam, and he had then brought this rule. However, this is an attempt to bring about a secular reform in the state and also decolonizing and also removing the influence of those Muslim League that Muslim League had in the state. And as such, this decision was done to do away with the 2-hour break that was given on Fridays as an attempt to decolonize the existing rule. And as such, this was done. This was supported by the MLAs. They have said that productivity was a big issue when it comes to the assembly sessions. However, a few of the MLAs from the opposition do question the government regarding their intent as far as removing this rule is concerned.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.